Hey, welcome back. This is me, Yusra, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can lock your Instagram profile picture so nobody can zoom you without your permission. So the tutorial is very easy and quick. You have to make sure your Instagram is updated, and now press on your Instagram. Go into your profile icon, which is in the bottom right corner, and again press on three dotted lines, which is in the top right corner. Scroll down and you'll see this option, which is account privacy. Press on it, which is allow public photos to anybody. So when you turn off, this will make your profile picture secure and nobody can zoom your profile picture. I hope this tutorial is very easy and this is very beneficial and useful for you guys. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.